Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can enable TOTP on our Zerodha Demat account. Note, you will need to log in on Kite web to set up TOTP. Once you set it up, you can log in using this TOTP on web as well as your mobile application. For updates related to the Zerodha universe, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Log into Kite web using your client ID and password. Click on your client ID on the top right hand corner of the page and select My Profile from the drop down box. Click on Password and Security. Once you do it, click on Enable 2-Step OTP. Now enter the OTP received on your registered email ID. Open Google Play Store on your mobile and install Google Authenticator. Once you install the app, open the application and select Scan a barcode under the Add Account option and click on Begin. Allow access to your phone camera and scan the barcode shown on the profile page on Kite web. Once you scan it, the account will be added on your Authenticator app. Enter the OTP shown on the Google Authenticator app on the Kite web along with your password and click on Enable. Once you click on Enable, you will receive a notification confirming the TOTP setup. You will have to enter the TOTP shown on your Authenticator app instead of the PIN every time you log in to Kite using your web or mobile application. For any queries, feel free to contact us and also like, share and subscribe and comment down below for more such videos. Thank you.